Today we're going to talk about fall protection. Falls are a leading cause of serious injuries and fatalities that occur in the workplace. According to statistics published by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there were 645 workplace fatalities due to falls to a lower level in 2020. The construction industry in particular experiences a large number of fall injuries and fatalities. What causes falls in the workplace? The risk for falls is virtually present in every single workplace. However, the factors that can lead to a fall may vary greatly. There are many specific unsafe acts by employees, as well as unsafe conditions that lead to fall incidents. Falls often result from a series of contributing factors. They're often the result of multiple unsafe conditions and unsafe actions combined. Because this is a fact, it is important to look at unsafe conditions as well as unsafe actions to recognize hazardous situations when working at heights. Some of the unsafe conditions that lead to falls are unguarded leading edges, open holes, improper guardrails, damaged equipment such as ladders, stairs, and other safety equipment, slippery conditions, and unmarked elevation changes. Unsafe actions that lead to falls are working at heights without fall protection or fall prevention methods in place, improper use of ladders, leaning over guardrails, or things of that nature. So, what are some of the best practices to avoid falls in the workplace? The best way to avoid falls is by eliminating work tasks that require working at heights in the first place. Obviously, elimination is not always possible, so the risk of falling has to be mitigated through safeguards. Engineering controls such as physical barriers and guardrails are two fall prevention systems that are effective in preventing falls from heights. Using proper fall arrest systems such as a full body harness, self-retracting lanyard, and approved anchor point with 100% tie-off is another way to prevent or mitigate the consequences of a fall. Proper use of ladders. This includes using 3 points of contact when climbing, not leaning to one side while on the ladder, setting the ladder up at the proper angle, and securing the ladder, as well as other things pertaining to the use of ladders. Proper housekeeping in work areas is important in preventing falls at the same level as well as falls from height. Also, warning signs and other methods of communicating fall hazards to nearby workers are helpful. There are many factors that can cause or contribute to a fall occurring in the workplace. Unsafe conditions paired with unsafe actions of workers while working at heights are a recipe for disaster. Do not put yourself or another worker in a position where an injury due to a fall can occur.